Every 60 seconds, a life-changing secret is revealed on your phone screen. A billionaire reveals his true identity. A long-lost twin appears out of nowhere. A supernatural curse takes hold of a small town. This is the frantic, addictive world of short-form drama apps. Specifically, we are looking at the heavy hitter known as Shortmax. This platform is part of a massive shift in how we consume stories. Gone are the days of sitting on a couch for an hour to watch a single episode. Now we are watching entire series while standing in line for coffee. The app is filled with thousands of these original plays. Each one is a tiny burst of high-stakes emotion. They target those primal storytelling urges with themes of romance, betrayal, and sudden wealth. The production value is what really catches people off guard. These are not home movies. They look professional. The lighting is cinematic. The actors are dedicated to the drama. It feels like a real TV show that has been chopped up into tiny pieces for our short attention spans. It is essentially a social media feed with a budget and a coherent plot. But there is a massive catch that is leaving a lot of viewers frustrated. The monetization model is aggressive. It uses a coin system that can be very misleading. You start a show, and the first few segments are free. You get sucked into the plot. Just as the tension reaches a boiling point, the app demands payment. You can watch ads to earn a few coins here and there. However, if you want to binge a whole story, you are looking at a serious bill. Some of these series have over 100 episodes. If you keep clicking that next button, you could spend more on one series than you would on a whole year of a traditional streaming service. The transparency is just not there. The app often hides the price of the next episode until you are already out of credits. This creates a sunk cost trap. You have already spent $10. You feel like you have to spend $5 more just to see the ending. On top of that, many users are reporting technical glitches with the weekly passes. People are paying for premium access and getting nothing in return. Getting a hold of customer support is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. The interface for canceling subscriptions is intentionally confusing. It is a predatory design that preys on impulse. If you really want to try it, please be careful. Do not link your credit card right away. Spend some time watching the daily ads instead. It is a slow process. It protects your bank accounts. These shows are a great guilty pleasure for a quick break. They are fun and fast and weirdly compelling. Just remember that the drama on the screen should not be followed by drama in your bank statement. Stay alert and enjoy the bite-sized chaos without falling into the financial traps hidden behind those cliffhangers. You deserve to be entertained without getting ripped off by hidden costs and buggy subscriptions. The tech world is full of these shiny new distractions. They look great on the surface. They feel modern and fresh. But underneath the flashy actors and the dramatic music is a machine designed to drain your wallet. Keep your wits about you. Enjoy the soap operas. Just keep your credit card in your pocket for as long as possible. Be the master of your own entertainment budget. Fast stories should not mean fast spending. Enjoy the ride, but watch the signs.